This is Jim from Sawlogs Plastic Hubs. Today is going to be a short video of a modification of a tool I've already got, and it's a blatant knockoff of somebody else's YouTube idea. Hey, I'm good at that. I want to extend my thanks to Yuchol at Woods Creek Workshop for inspiring me to modify my compound drive. I've had a compound drive for a while. In fact, there's an older video where I've made my compound drive and you've seen it before. But recently I was Yuchol's channel and I was looking at some of his work, and he took and made his, he made a lot different. One of the things he did, he mounted to his compound screw. The other thing is he filed out a slot where he could use a 1/4-inch drive and a swivel. And I just thought that was a neat idea. That takes one of the problems out of these driving them with a drill. So what I've done is, and you'll see it in today's video, this is my drive unit. I had it made. Basically I disassembled it and bored it out and pressed a 1/4-inch drive socket in it. A little import job. I don't like filing. I pressed this one in, left me some interference fit, so I can drive it just like this right here. So with no further ado, we're going to move right on to the video. As I say, another one of them blatant knockoffs. So one thing about it, to grab your chair, grab your drink, sit back and enjoy me playing on the lathe today. I'm doing a little boring, simple job. I'll come back and tell you bye. Hope you enjoyed today's video. What I did was I heated this up and took a little bit of Loctite to get that Loctite broke. I'm not going to remake this piece. What I'm going to do is I'm just cleaning it up here. And we're going to drill it and we're going to bore it out until it press a socket into it. What I'm doing right now is just sort of truing it up. So we're going to refinish it anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Finish this. I didn't black this as good as I did them. And you know, black's not that good on it. It's just a little bit out of round. We're going to back this off and take us a little more off right there. Clean it up. I got this idea of the drive system from Yuchol out at Woods Creek. He made one and actually fashioned it, but I'm going to leave mine where I can slip it on, slip it off. And we're going to bore it. And actually this is the backside piece here. And we're just truing this up. We're going to bore it from this side. We'll press it from the other. There we go. That's clean right there. And I might need to, I'm going to go ahead and I'll chamfer it right quick while I've got it here, and then we'll move on. That new chamfering tool I made. And there we go. Now I just have to figure out, set up and do the rest of it. Now, there you go. We're going to ride you along for a little drill action. back, we'll set up the bore. Now we're set up the bore, we're going to go ahead and kick the speed back up. And put this on the right cut here. See what we got. Now I like to bore backwards, especially these smaller bores in the cars, because you don't have a lot of, that takes out a lot of the any spring pass you may have. I'm going to take a measurement to see kind of where I'm at. Hopefully we ain't too far. Good. Let me go get some mics and stuff to do this right. Okay, we're going to sneak up on this, so we need to bore. I'm going to take about, I'm going to bore it about 5 thousandths here. Critical. We want to hit it really close, maybe within a thou press or so. And all this is, I guess, this is just a standard 1/4" socket. It's one I pulled out of my drawer. That it's just a import socket. Don't have to be really good for this. So I should be within about 5 thousandths of this. Let me mic everything, I'll bring you right back. I got about 1 thousandths press fit. I was wanting about 2, but thousandths will work. We'll deburr this and we'll go ahead and get the socket pressed in. So we're going to press the socket in from this side. So I'll get over here to the press and get. Now what we got to do here is the socket sticks out, so we're going to face the socket off flush. After we put the thing in the right direction. So what we're doing here is we're just taking a light cut with the tool, and we're just going to face this thing off flush. This is one thing about using a socket, it's handy. And this would have no, I don't know what it, I just picked one up. I've got a bunch of extra 1/4" and we're just flushing this off. Just like that. So now I've got a 1/4" drive hole in it, just like Yuchil's, and without having to file it. So now all I got to do is, all I can do is just insert the drive, the 1/4" swivel, and we'll be good to go. I'll show you what we're going to do here. So what I've done here is I've started the bluing process. And what I'm doing is just using ortho blue to re-blue this and get it good and blue, because this is a piece of some, I done forgot, it may have been 8620. I was so bad to use the stupid stuff because I got it. But what I wanted to show was the way Yuchol made his. He filed the 1/4-inch socket out, which is a good idea, but 1/4-inch sockets are fairly cheap. So I didn't want to remake the wheel, so I decided, well, I'll just take the one I have, and we just cleaned it up, and I took the stud out of it. And you see, I didn't show taking the stud out of it on camera. It was green Loctite it in, obviously, and I had to heat it. Took several attempts. I tried to machine it off. I was going to machine it off and just bore it and drill it, and the stud was too hard, so I must have had a harder piece of steel. It did not want to machine good for me. So I just, this is the side here that faces into the tool, and I'm still going to have to get me an extension and cut it off. I'll probably go to Harbor Freight. I may just go to Lowe's or somewhere. I might even go on Amazon and just somewhere and just order a quick 1/4-inch socket, a 1/4-inch extension, several inches long, and cut the end of it off for compound turning. But after I seen this being done by Yuchol, it really like made a light bulb out of it. And I mean, I'm kind of cleaning this and not watching. But see, you'll see as this comes along, this wasn't black good, and I have learned you really put several coats of this on there and it really will black something. See right here where I machined the chrome off the center here, it made it nice and black. And it really makes your tools, your homemade tools, look really good. Really easy to do too, and it's fair. I mean, I don't think none of these processes are inexpensive, folks. I can tell you that. This little bottle of this here is about $18. It goes a long way if you're doing tools. That's actually that would be my second bottle, and I haven't opened it. And I'm gonna be able to finish this. This was already semi-black, but I'm just trying to get a good coat. It was half black. You want to black this good and get it where it's a really good coat. And I'm here to tell you this is some good stuff right here, and it's easy. It's just real easy to do. You just coat it good down. And I know you've seen it with the liquid. Some of them use the cotton. I prefer to use a brush of some sort myself, and just do it like this is the way I like to do it. The brush and just do it the acid brush or something, a disposable brush. With the cream, and I prefer the cream because it's just easier to work with. And once I clean this off, I'll just give it a shot of oil and wipe it down with it, and it's good to go. So I have to clean the holes and all back out. I've got goo in them. See, now that's going to be chrome there in the center because of because that being a chrome plated socket. And you can see where I machined the chrome off of this side, flattened it up. So let me clean this thing up, and we'll go put it on the lathe to let you see it. Okay. What I done is I went in my toolbox and I discovered that I had an inexpensive center, an inexpensive 1/4-inch drive. So I took it over to the bench, took a hacksaw to it, and there we go. There it is. So now my system is complete. I have the extension here to drive it to go with everything else. So here we go. This is just a demonstration for you. So that's just an extension. It's an inexpensive extension. And then this is the tool that I've already showed. So that's the whole setup. I want to thank Yuchol for giving me the idea to modify mine. Since I already had it made, it was a simple matter to modify. So basically the only investment I really have had is this swivel set, because Harbor Freight don't sell individual ones. It's cheaper to buy the set from Harbor Freight than it was to buy one individual quarter. So with that being said, let me get you back up here. So there we go. Blatant knockoff of Woods Creek Wood Shop's power drive, saw log style. How we like that. Greetings, this is Jim. Thank you for watching today's video. This is always, as I say, a copyrighted production of James Dedman, Saw Logs Plastic Hubs, for your entertainment, enjoyment, and some slight education here on YouTube. I want to extend a thanks to Yuchol Kim for inspiring me to modify my compound drive. Thank you, Yuchol, for the idea. I hope you ain't too mad I knocked it off. So with all that being said, the rest of you, I'm glad you stopped by today. I hope you enjoyed peeking over my shoulder and hanging out in my little humble shop. With that being said, you know, we always want you to subscribe if you haven't. Please join the family. It doesn't cost anything. There's no emails, robocalls involved to annoy you. Just being part of the family is the satisfaction you get. Comments are always welcome downstairs. Just leave them, you know. I try to get back to every one of them. If I don't, there's some sort of an issue with YouTube, and there's one or two people that I've had that trouble with. I've reached out to them personally over this. With all that being said, I hope you enjoyed today's video again. I thank you and appreciate you for stopping by and hanging out with me. I hope you didn't get too big a belly laugh of me tripping up and goofing up today. With all that being said, we'll see you in that very next video, and you have a wonderfully great day.